Everybody, welcome back to another highly combustible reaction. We're going to be jumping into the next one on our Steven Seagulls journey. Born to be Wild, most certainly a song that everybody knows. Let's jump into it. Let's check it out together. It's coming at us from Ronnie. Much love. I do appreciate it. Let's see what we got. We already know. Listen, when I first saw Steven Seagulls, I seriously thought they came from down Louisiana, around them that way, where we got a lot of kind of bumpkins. Like... The Texas Chainsaw.
Hey, go. You go.
Don't get no manlier than shaving with an axe. If this doesn't strike you as a super Southern American. They got a whole different way of fun. I've never done that. In the rocking chair too. I love how they just kind of got themselves a little tiny train. That damn thing barely fits. The picking game is strong. We got damn everything. Hands off one instrument and picks up another one. The Paul Bunyan's Ox, Big Blue, Babe. You can't do that down south. You're getting caught up by the Gators. The Gators will get you real quick in Louisiana. No! Not the Budweiser! Yeah, that's more like it. I'm down with the shine. Give me some shine in the mason jar in the day. You can keep all that Budweiser hype. It ain't nothing but watered down piss. Yeah. Real men. It's the kid controlling the damn thing. Oh, this is epic. I'm gonna break that machine. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Steve in Seagulls, Born to Be Wild. Super creative, super fun. I'm saying they got the whole down south look down pat. They can move right in. Nobody would bat an eye. They would just think they were locals. Seriously, awesome. Definitely go over to show Steve Seagulls some love on their channel. We're already subbed up. We've been subbed up for some time. Smash the like button already. You should too. It's down inside the description. Hit the like button here if you liked it. The dislike button if you decide to check out the other video up there. One of these guys up here. Till the next one, I'm highly combustible. You guys be happy, healthy, safe. I love you to the moon and back. Peace.